Hey everyone, and welcome to this practice question today following the likelihood ratios lecture. As usual, I recommend that you pause the video, attempt the question on your own, and then watch the remainder of the video to see if you did it correctly. So in this case, we are evaluating a new test for a disease X, and we find that it has a sensitivity of 90% and a specificity of 70%. We are then asked to calculate the positive and negative likelihood ratios. So going back to the lecture, we remember that the equation for each of the likelihood ratios can be remembered with the mnemonic WHO. And therefore, the LR positive will be the probability of getting a positive test given you have the disease with over the probability of getting a positive test given you do not have the disease, with over without. And then remember the numerator corresponds to sensitivity and the denominator corresponds to 1 minus specificity. Therefore, we would have 0.9 over 1 minus 0.7 equals to 3. For LR negative, we remember that corresponds to the probability of getting a negative test result among someone with the disease with over the probability of getting a negative test result among someone without the disease, with over without. And we remember this corresponds to 1 minus sensitivity over specificity. And therefore we would get 1 minus 0.9 over 0.7, which estimates about 1/7. Therefore, what this means is if we get a positive result on this test, our post-test odds will be 3 times greater than our pre-test odds. And if we get a negative result on this test, our post-test odds will be 1/7 our pre-test odds. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and good luck.